me a big body Benz. We touching paper for real niggas rapping pretend.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle. If you guys are new here, I do cruelty-free beauty and vegan lifestyle videos here on YouTube. You can also check me out on Instagram. I post there as well. But today I did this look because I am going to the Naturally Curly event out here in LA with my sister, and I wanted to use some of the products that I really have been loving for a while, just haven't been able to feature them in a video since I haven't really been doing too many videos lately. So I wanted to use my Styli Style palettes that I have the Classically Matte, which is all matte colors in this one. Ooh. And then this one is the Precious Metals from Styli Style as well. And these are so freaking pretty, guys. I used a couple colors out of here as well, and you'll see it in the video. And then I'm also back to my glitter. 'Tis the season. The glitter that I use is from Glitter Injections. This one is called Wild One, and I just used my NYX glitter glue to adhere it underneath my eye. That's literally probably one of my favorite places to do it. I was gonna put some glitter on top, but I think I'll do that for another video. I don't want to be like overkill with the glitter, even though I love glitter. I mean, who doesn't, right? But yeah, hopefully all is well with you guys and you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I shall see you guys in the next one. Please remember to be blessed, well dressed, and not stressed, and I'll see you there. Bye.